Hi guys! So Hillary's little friend gave me this doll to fix. Well, let's see if we can get her all pretty again. First thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of our fabric softener, pour a little bit in the cup. I forgot my spray bottle again, so we're going to have to work with the plastic cup. I'm going to put a little water in there. I'm going to get a little warm. Okay, I'm going to fill the cup up just a little ways. Okay. Oops. Now I'm going to take Barbie's hair and put her hair down in the water with the fabric softener. Okay, and get dry. Now we're going to comb her hair out and try to get as many of the knots out as possible. Some hair will come out, and that's totally fine. Keep brushing. If you need to dip again and put her hair in more fabric softener, you can. Whew, okay, so like 20 minutes later, we finally got all the tangles out of her hair with the fabric softener. This is about how much hair came out, and that's normal because she was pretty bad natted in there. She had tons of rats in her hair. So now what we're going to do after it's all combed out, we're going to use Dawn dish soap to squirt in her hair and rinse out the fabric softener. Ooh, bubbles! Alright, you just put the Dawn dish soap in there and work its way through. She's going to feel like a brand new Barbie. Now that Barbie got done with her bath, we are going to brush it out again. See how much better that is? She had a little braid in here, so it's a little wavy right here. I'm going to see if I can get that completely flattened out and straight. Okay, so I got Barbie's hair all combed out, all perfect, but I think Barbie needs a little haircut. See how the ends look? So we're going to take that and just trim it straight across. There we go. All right, now that Barbie is so happy that she can actually get a comb through her hair, we're going to let her dry and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so Brooklyn's Barbie is all done and she is ready to go and see her. How much better is this? It turned out super cute, and we added a cute braid from where those kinks were. They were hard to get straight, so I went ahead and put her back in a braid. And now Brooklyn can brush her and have such a good time with her. Like and subscribe to the Hillary and Mommy Show.